Okay.
You're gonna record. Can we talk about the fat SpongeBob?
No, but that was just on the start of the recording. So good job, Tristan.
Yay.
Today we're going to move into what we're actually doing, which is we're going to have a really short class today. It's going to be about comparing fractions, decimals, and percentages. And then some of you are going to get to leave. Some of you are not. The way it's going to work is if you were done with both of the homework assignments we've had so far, you get to go. If you're not done with both the homework assignments that we've had so far, you have to stay
So I can leave
so that you can work on
right
homework
now.
after we finish the game. So
Why do
the
I
way
have
this
to-
game is going to work is the same as usual. I'm going to put up a poll. You're going to have a certain amount of time to answer it, but I've updated the game a little bit. It looks a little nicer, and we've got a lightning round. Carmen, do you have a question? Or are we just raising your hand? Okay, hold on. No question. Okay. All right. So let's look at the questions. These are all going to be about comparing fractions, decimals, and percentages, in case you couldn't tell from the title screen. As per usual, I will put up a poll. You will have about a minute to answer each question, and then we're going to have a lightning round where you're only going to get 30 seconds. So be ready. Good luck. Question number 1. Which of the following is the largest? Is it A, 0.333, B, 1/3, C, 33%, or D, 33 over 100? Maybe I should make it so that if you get 100% on this, you can also leave.
Wait, how much time do we
Why
have?
is that?
You have 45 more seconds.
I don't want that rule. I don't want that rule.
Just
No.
to clear, can I change my answer?
Yes, use private chat. You can change your answer.
Okay.
Yes, Janie, you can also change your answer. 25 seconds.
I was multitasking, so I was just guessing.
You still have 15 seconds. Why would you just guess?
Oh wait, what? I thought
10
you said
seconds.
we had 15 seconds. 15 seconds ago.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So 3 people didn't vote for some reason. Oops, hold on. Let me mark Jessica. So the correct answer was, drum roll please, B.
Hey, I guessed and I still got it right.
On the
I
poll,
knew it.
most of you got it. In chat, I don't know how many people changed their answers. I have no idea. So if we look at these, 0.333 is 33.3%. So it is bigger than 33%, and it's bigger than 33 over 100. But 1/3 is 33.333333333%. It goes on forever. So it is slightly bigger than the rest. This is actually like one of the hardest questions. So question number 2. Which one of these is, hold on, is this biggest or which one of these is the largest? 67%, 2/3, 66.6%, or 0.667?
Well, I lost. Gracie, type it. You sound like a robot. Type it.
Yeah, Gracie, your audio is not working very well. But again, you can change your answer in private chat if you want to, or if you accidentally close the poll. You only got 25 seconds left on this one.
If you close the poll, you can just go down here to the Zoom icon thing and click it, and it'll bring it back up. Like it'll bring you.
There you go. 10 seconds.
No,
Apparently you can
another 10 seconds.
You can have 5 more seconds starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, why do we have so few answers? All right. So it looks like most of you said A, some of you said B. The correct answer
the wrong one.
was A.
Yeah.
So if we look at these, 2/3 is 66.66666 repeating forever percent, which is bigger than 66.66 or 6%. But it is smaller than 0.667, and it is definitely smaller than 67.
I was doing math inside of my head, and I didn't have enough time. I just clicked one.
All right.
I can't remember which one I pressed on.
Question number 3. Which one of these is the smallest this time? We've got 2/5, 3/10, 25%, and 2.5.
Wait, that's a tie though. So there's two answers.
Maybe.
Mr. McCleary, what
Yep.
Disney Pixar character do you think you look like?
Olaf.
The
No offense, but you're more of a tan, not a white.
maybe Ralph from Wreck-It Ralph.
Yikes. 15 seconds. Oh no. Poll results are a little painful. Uh-oh. 5,
Are you
4,
disappointed in me?
3, 2, 1. All right. So it's a pretty even split between A, C, and D. The correct answer is C, 25%. So if we look at each of
Yes!
these, 2/5, if we convert that into a percent, you would get to 40%. 2/5 is a 0.4. So it'd be 40%. 3 out of 10, that's 30%. Oops. 3 divided by 10, 0.3 times 130. 25% is obviously 25%. 2.5, this one, I think confused a lot of people. 2.5, remember, to convert a decimal into a percentage, you multiply by 100. 2.5 times 100 is 250%. So it is much, much, much bigger than 25%.
I was thinking
here.
I knew that C was smaller than all the others, but I was thinking that D and C were the same.
They are not. So
Apparently I was
question
tripping.
number 4, I think. Which one is the largest? 75%, 0.75, 6/8, or 10/12? I'm thinking we maybe need to make the lightning round not a lightning round.
Can we have a little more time on this one?
You still have 35 seconds.
Yeah, that's enough.
So 30 seconds.
Oh boy.
$15 seconds. Do we at least like the nice new prettier PowerPoint version? 5,
Not really.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Looks like most of you got it right this time. So most people voted for the correct answer, which was D. So if we look at these,
Yes.
75% is 75%. 0.75 converted to a percentage is 75%. 6/8 reduces to 3/4, which is also 75%. And then 10/12 is 5/6, which as a
Which is
percentage
also
is
83 point a bunch of threes.
yes.
So,
So it's
yeah.
83.3 repeating percent.
Can I say how I did it really quickly? Because mine is a lot simpler.
Sure. How did you do it really quickly?
75. Well, A and B are the same. And then
Mhm.
I just knew that A and B were less than C and D. So
Well,
split.
C is also the same as A and B. A, B, and C are all the same.
Oh, I should have thought about that one. Anyways, but what I had done is I just split. I split C in half and then added it together, and then it was 9/12 in comparison to 10/12.
Oh, interesting. That's actually kind of smart. Yeah, nicely done.
mean,
All right, I like it.
Horrible.
All right,
You should have thought about that.
next
You should have
one.
thought about
Question 5. We've got which one is the largest? We have 123%. We have 5/4. We have 0.125, and we have 1.24.
Even a question. It's extremely easy.
These are all really close. So
Yeah,
I
but
randomly
the one that's bigger is a lot smarter, a lot easier.
Yeah, but 2 of them are the same.
nope.
If you add them
Incorrect.
up.
Not correct.
No.
There's none that are the same.
Yes, there is. Do you not
15
see
seconds
the
left.
0.125? That is basically 5/4 because that's 4 of them is one whole, and then a fourth is the 25th.
I was thinking it in a different way, but okay.
5, 4, 3, 2. Get your votes in. Hurry up, everybody. Get your votes in. Panic. Okay, no. All right. We are very evenly split between B, C, and D. B did come out on top in the voting, and B is correct. It is 5/4. So if we look at each of these, we can keep 123% as 123%. 5/4. One thing that you might end up memorizing during percentages is that every time you have a fourth, each one of the fourths is worth 25%. So this is effectively 5 times 25%, which is 125%. Now, this one was meant to be a little bit of a throw off. If you multiply this by 100, it's actually only 12.5%. So remember, when you're converting decimals to a percentage, you move the decimal 2 places. So this one is by far the smallest. It's only 12.5. And then this last one, if you move the decimal 2 places, 1, 2, you get 124%.
I thought it was a 5. I thought it was a 5, not a 4.
So
Um,
D is the second biggest, A is third biggest, and then C is by far the smallest.
I pressed
All
D.
right. So we were gonna go into the lightning round. I even had a cool little like lightning slide.
Can we do
thing.
it? Can we do it? Can we do it?
But the lightning round, you were only gonna get 30 seconds for each question.
Yeah, let's do it. Easy.
All right, we'll give it a
I
shot.
only need 10.
30 seconds. Which one of these is the largest? 10%, 1/10, 0.1, or 21/200? 30 seconds, go. This is probably too much or too little time.
I can see why you call yourself Olaf. Your hair is brown, like the twig.
I was just thinking because he has almost no hair. 15 seconds.
You're so mean. Olaf
That was an
doesn't have
easy
hair.
one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Looks like most of you got the correct answer. This one was in fact D. So A, B, and C are actually all the same. These are all equal to 10%. This one is just barely more than 10%. It's like 10.5%, I think.
It's 10.5.
So it's just
But
a little bit
10.5,
bigger.
You thought you
Can,
could trick
can I
us.
ask you a question,
What's the
Mr.
question?
Clary?
Yeah.
Just wondering, why would you make the one correct answer the one different color?
They're all like they're all different colors. This is like a light blue. This is like a dark blue. This is like a purple blue. This is like a purple.
No, they're not.
Somebody
Yeah,
say
they are. They're different. Are you blind? You can literally tell if you look close
A,
enough.
I mean, I could be
B, are
colorblind, but
literally
they're blue,
almost-
blue, blue, and purple.
No,
Okay,
it's
well,
lightish blue.
They're the same color on this page. So question number
Light-
7, I think. Which one is the smallest? 81%, 4/5, 0.81, or 5/6? 30 seconds. Best of luck. $15 seconds.
No, you kind of look like Jane from Tarzan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it looks like about half of you got the right answer, and then the rest were split between C and D. The correct answer here is B, 4/5. So if we look at each of these, 81% is 81%, 4/5 is 80%, C 0.81, that's just 81%, and then 5/6, I believe, is that 83.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Repeating percent again.
I thought it was biggest again, not small. Oh my.
Nope. So that one was a which one is the smallest?
Maybe I should actually start listening to the teacher.
That would
what-
be a
What they
decent
say.
idea. Question
Instead of
number
just-
8. We've got which one of these is the largest? 275%, 2.08, 0.3, or 10/4.
Switch the slide.
I did switch the slide.
No, you didn't. Oh, there
Must
you go.
be lagging for you. You've only got 10 seconds left, although it sounds like it's lagging, so maybe I should give you guys a little bit more time. I'll give you 10 seconds from right now.
I'm
So 10
actually
seconds to go.
surprised it's not lagging extremely bad for me because our cell tower is down. Like the last
5,
class I had to get off.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Most of you got this one. The correct answer is in fact A. So if we look at these,
Yay.
2.08 is 208. Whoops, 8%. 0.3 is just 30%. So this one was kind of
I
meant
thought
to
it
be a
was
trick.
C, but
If
then
you,
I checked and it was 250%. So
right. So if you moved the decimal place too far, then you would have gotten this one. 10 fourths is you could reduce it to 5 halves, which is just 2.5, and 2.5 is 250%.
Wait.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Clary, I
Yeah.
have something for this. You didn't even have to do math for it because if you think about it, the answer, well, because after you're finished with it, it's yay, right? But the answer is in what you say when you finish. Yeah, hey. So
Okay, sure. If that works
I
for
don't
you,
even know what
Tristan.
I'm saying.
I don't either.
We
All right.
done.
Nope, we've got, I think, 2 more. So this one is,
Two
which is the
more?
smallest? 3,000%, 29, 100 over 4, or 30? 30 seconds. I really hope that nobody says the really obviously wrong one.
Should I do the really obviously wrong one on purpose?
Somebody already did. 10 seconds. Oh, nobody's voting this time. Uh-oh. 5, 4,
No, I thought it was
3,
10 and 4.
2,
No,
1, 1/2, 1/4.
1/8,
All right.
1/16,
So this one
1/32.
This one did not go terribly well. So the correct answer here was C, 100 over 4. If we look at all these, 3,000% is 3,000%. 29 is 2,900%. 100 over 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. 25 as a percentage is 2,500%. And then D is 3,000% as well. D is definitely, or 30 is definitely not smaller than 29. So you could have eliminated.
I am
D
so mad at
and C.
myself. I literally said, I thought that was 10. Like I thought the 100 was 10. I am such an
That would
idiot.
still be the right answer then, because then it would just be 250%, which is way
Yay,
smaller.
we're done.
Are they equivalent? 10, the 10
All right. Last one.
Mm.
0.01%. Whoops, I didn't mean to share results. That's not what I wanted. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. Relaunch. My bad. Which one is the largest? 0.01, 0.001, I guess 0.01%. You guys can read them. 1 over 2,000 or 0.07%.
Of course we can read. We're not kindergartners. We're preschoolers.
20 seconds.
Based on the test answers, that is yet to be proven.
10 seconds.
Is this the last one?
Yes, this is the last one.
At least I don't have any.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. So this one was B. If we convert all of these into percentages, this one, multiply it out, we get 0.1%. 1 over 2,000 is 0.05%. And 0.07% is 0.07%. 0.1% is bigger than the other 3. Okay, so that's all we're gonna be doing as far as like stuff today. The rest of the day is a work time thing. I will be looking to make sure that you have done the previous 2 assignments before you leave. So please don't leave if you haven't done those yet. Considering how this went, I'm a little bit concerned that maybe we're not ready for comparison. So please make sure you do the homework for today,
I was gonna ask you if you're disappointed in us.
because it is all about the stuff we just did. And this was a
Are we
little
doing
bit
the
of a stretch.
quiz tomorrow?